Welcome to Sydney Day 2. Woo! Woo! Excited?
I'm hungry.
What are we doing?
Get breakfast. Why are the lights on? How does that work? Trying to figure out the light situation.
They're all lamps. We don't have a light.
Don't we?
That's not a light.
Oh. Well, that's really weird. My room has a central light.
Okay.
Well, let's get Josh ready. Hashtag time lapse. And then we can go get some food.
Woo!
Rusty the Clown has issued the following statement. Pocket mulch?
Oh, it's so decomposed. Do you think I could join your first?
You mean you don't pocket mulch?
The poser level.
Do you pocket mulch, Josh?
Thank you.
Huh?
Do you pocket mulch?
Yeah, all the time.
You're welcome to come to.
So decomposed.
I started an organic compost pile at home.
Only at home? You mean you don't pocket mulch?
Oh, it's so decomposed.
Weather check. Oh, it's a bit gloomy for Bondi, but we're gonna go anyway. Thoughts?
We're gonna crush it anyway. Hopefully the sand doesn't look like soaking wet, because that would probably kill the drone shots.
That would kill my vibe.
That would kill my vibe. And bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Kill my vibe. What song is that even from, do you know? If I'm such a basketball player with my pants like this. I look like I'm very low riding.
Doing the crit walk.
What's a crit walk?
Keep it gangsta, dog. Keep it gangsta. 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 I wanna thank you all. I wanna thank you.
Can't remember if I said this yesterday, but where we're staying is kind of like the docklands of Melbourne. Like for some reason, it just seems really empty. Like there was a sumo salad yesterday that we walked past on a Saturday and it was closed, and we were like, oh, what the hell? Just eerie. Like it's interesting.
I think my shorts are yours.
Just requesting an Uber now.
We are.
Someone just rejected us on the Uber.
He's back actually.
Oh, he's back. Okay.
In the XE.
In the XE.
In the XE.
That's good.
Okay. Yeah, he's back.
Yeah, so we're off to Bondi. Probably get an acai or something because it'd be
Definitely
fun.
not. That's
I will.
disgusting. I will.
Burger. Burger. Brekkie.
Well, I had a breakfast burger yesterday. So.
Yeah. On top with a crown B, taking over the town, baby, I'm astounding. Winning both rounds, I don't need a round 3. Everybody asking their people just where they found me.
Matt's first Bondi experience.
I know.
Oppo, Maxi, where you at? Fresh. How's your milkshake?
It's actually a smoothie. Are you ready for a meal?
What'd you get?
Oh, a lot. Just like poached eggs on toast with mushrooms, baked beans, usual stuff. How much?
Yum. We've had a lovely breakfast, and now we're going to do the Bondi to Bronti walk and hopefully get some cool drone shots and just cool clips in general. Excited, Matt?
I am. Pretty good.
Has it lived up to the expectation?
Yeah.
Has it taken you back to the summertime?
No, it was at home. It's been fun. Started.
He's doing it.
Oh, he's come off.
Take me back to the sweet times, the hot nights. Everything is gonna be alright in the summertime. Baby, in the summertime. And even if I have to wait till next time.
Fattest.
2 steps into the Bondi to Bronti walk. How is it?
Tyde. Made it. Oh.
So much nicer than Melbourne.
Isn't it?
Sure, it's so much nicer.
They don't just do fires, Josh. Explain what's going on, Josh.
It's too windy, but if you can hear me, we are almost at Bronti and we're just going to go for a little fly. It's pretty windy, so we're quite nervous, but no point having it if you're not going to get cool shit.
Cut to awesome clips now. Mad success, wasn't it, Josh?
Yeah, very. Way better than we thought it was going to be.
Still very windy though.
Like, it's opening in the clouds.
Bit of blue sky. See it there.
Okay, so we have reached Tamarama, as you can see by the thing from the Dulux ad. Yeah, so what do you reckon we'll do now?
Probably walk around to Bronti and then get an Uber back to the city maybe, get some lunch and then have work at 2.
Woohoo.
Pick that up. Communal hand washing. Very cool.
Zadi. Yes, I really like it. Days young, let me talk to the nice dogs. Take to the table where your motherfucking clothes are. That's Mozart, party on the beach with the sharks and the coast guards. Mars seems so far, while we smoking where the stones are. Shitty music playing on the shore. Finna lose it if they playing more. I got the links and you said Dior. Well, but on the other hand, the rapper says I'll be
Just waiting for my boy Zong Liang.
Yeah,
How's your first trip to Bondi, Bronti and Tamarama?
really good. Bit of scares there with the heights at the end. I really like heights, but
The heights.
yeah, it was scary. Like the rocks. Don't get scared.
Oh wow.
It's me.
Woohoo! We're back at the hotel. We might go for a swim and then we're gonna go maybe to the markets and get some food.
You know? Yeah, check it out, let me give you the format about this animal. I'm thinking it's all out, fall back. You got nothing to lose, spend the next few minutes hearing something that...
So we're at the exhibition centre now. Pretty cool. There's like legit just exhibitions for insurance all over the shop. They're all giving out free stuff, free alcohol and whatnot. This sick hat, yeah, make insurance great again. We've infiltrated the insurance game. We're right in the midst of it. Anyway, so we're just going to be working for the rest of the night, then go back to the hotel and just edit the photos and stuff like that. So I'm just going to make a little sequence, and you can watch that, and then I'll see you back at the hotel. just editing this video now. Completely forgot to do an outro, but I'm back in Melbourne now, so thank you very much for watching.
Cameras ready, prepare to flash.